Taters, spuds, tubers. Whatever the name, be they boiled, mashed, or stuck in a stew, people the world over love potatoes. This episode of Growing Local History is all about potatoes. In the New England colonies, the first recorded potato appeared in 1719, but within just 2 decades, potato growth was flourishing into an important colonial export. In our first year at the OCHM Garden, we acquired certified seed potatoes from Maine of the Russet Burbank variety. We planted them using the hilling method and harvested once the plants had yellowed and died back. Our harvest yielded a fairly good amount of small potatoes, which were delicious. We saved the best of this crop, stored them all winter long, and used the sprouts as our second year seed potatoes for 2022. Because they were in our basement, when the eyes started to sprout, they went seeking light and grew some long, scary-looking shoots. But this is totally fine, and come spring, we were ready to plant them out. Potatoes like to grow deep in the soil, so we dug 3 1-foot deep trenches, added some organic fertilizer, and planted each potato sprout up. We monitored the plants regularly for signs of beetles, an annoyance we dealt with in our first year by squishing the problem away. This year, we planted a small nasturtium in the potato bed, as the beetles prefer nasturtium leaves to potato leaves, and didn't have problems this year. Our area suffered from a fairly severe drought this year, and so the plants were not as robust or long-lived as last year. We ended up harvesting once they had really died back in mid-August. We dug up our spuds on a beautiful 93-degree day. And this year we had a basket full of healthy, large potatoes. We will repeat this process in year 3, using these harvested taters as the seed potatoes for planting. Fortunately, we don't have many left as they were so delicious we ended up eating most of them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.